What do you think you're doing?
I'm just trying to get some candy.
Get an orange juice. Now.
Okay. Do you remember what you told me to do to you if you started drinking again?
What? 301. Ah!
Where's all the Asian food? All I see is the Mexican food. Huh. Woo! It's cracker. Oh. Yeah, look good. Kitty! What the fuck? You're gonna eat me!